How to fix and solve YouTube is not available in this reason. Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you the ways on how can you solve YouTube is not available in this reason. If you're having this issue, you could follow these steps. First thing first, you could try for an update. Go to Play Store. On the search box, type in YouTube. See whether the application needs to be updated or not. Here you could find it out. If the application is completely up to date, you could try with other steps. Exit out of this page. Long press the YouTube application. Go to this app info icon. Then you want to go to storage and cache. Make sure to clear cache as well as data. This is going to delete your data. Anyway, you go ahead and carry on with this. And then try logging in, see whether the issue has been solved or not. In some cases, if you're using a VPN, that could be an issue. So make sure to disable the VPN and that could be able to fix the issue as well. Likely, if you're still unable to fix it, you could also try uninstalling the YouTube application and then reinstalling the application. Restart the device at the same time. That could be an essential way to fix the issue as well. So these are some of the ways to fix and solve YouTube is not available in this reason. Similarly, you could also go ahead and customize your date and time. Sometimes by doing this, you could actually go and fix the issue. Go to settings and then you want to go to display, and here you could go ahead and select. Here you want to type in date and time, and you could go ahead and make sure to change with your date, or you could go ahead and make sure to change with the time. That could be an essential way to fix the issue. So these are some of the ways to fix your issue. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.